corruption in Mexico is not just an abstract concept, it has real consequences. One of the most important cases in Mexico is the Estafa Maestra, involving Rosario Robles Berlanga. Between 2012 and 2018, government agencies signed contracts with public universities, which then structured private companies, many of which were fake, allowing the derivation of more than 5 billion pesos. According to the Auditoría Superior de la Federación, at least 128 companies were involved. Many of them did not even exist. Transparency International ranks Mexico in 126 out of 180 countries. And according to the Mexican Institute of Competitiveness, corruption can cost up to 5% of Mexican GDP. This case shows that corruption is not only about stealing money, but about the abuse of power and lack of accountability. Because corruption affects development, inequality, and trust in government. Thank you.